Hi, I am Josh Tew, and I would like to apply as a facilitator for LDP 2016. So why should you choose me as your FASI? I got 3 reasons. The first reason is that I'm very experienced. Na-try ko na yung dati nag-FASI ako, tapos kulang sa pagkain, tapos wala nang baso. So what I did was, binigay ko yung food ko, yung mga food, pinauna ko yung participants na kumain. Kasi kain kayo. Tapos, yung iced tea, no, since wala ng baso, sila na lang uminom. So, hindi na ako uminom. So, ang problema pa nun, 5 minutes lang ang binigay nilang time sa akin kumain, no? So, grabe. Okay, second reason is that mahal ko ang LDP. So, you want me to show you how much I love LDP? Okay. So, as you can see, that's my saxophone. No? Kasi may gig ako mamaya. Pero, gusto nila mag-practice. Pero hindi na ako mag-practice. Bakit? Kasi gagawin ko tong video na to. Kasi mahal ko ang LDP. Di ba? Okay. Third reason is that I'm crazy. As you can see, ito, Malacanang Palace. Okay? Malacanang Palace. We're in Malacanang right now. And you want me to show you how crazy I am? I'll walk in the streets of Malacanang Palace nang nakapajama. As you can see, pajama, no? So, bagong gising lang ako. Sorry, no? Pero, okay, ito na. Malacanang! Woo! Woo! PJs! Woo! Okay. Woo! Dami nga. Okay, balik ako sa car. Okay. So those are the 3 reasons of why you should choose me as your FASI. So I gotta go home now. Whew. Wait, oh my god. I forgot my driver's license. Oh my god. Okay, time to go home. Goodbye. You won't regret it pag ako yung pinili nyo. Okay?